Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2015 Chevy Corvette Stingray Z51. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Not seeing any scratches here at all or no paint chips. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This wheel is in perfect condition. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. Everything is fine. Let's have a look at the driver door. Perfect. Move on to the quarter panel and wheel. I'm not seeing a scratch on this quarter panel. It is in excellent condition and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. Okay, looking at the back bumper, everything back here is perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or nothing wrong back here at all. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel has no scratches or dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. Take a look at the passenger door. This door is in perfect condition. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents on the door at all. Now we're going to have a look at the last fender and wheel. And this fender looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents on the fender. And the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. First, we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear on this door at all. Well, I do see a little bit of wear on the armrest part, but everything else is fine. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, everything over here looks good. The only thing I see is just like the driver's side, just the armrest, but it is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation. Also backup camera. Let's have a look at the center console and make sure that we do not have any wear and tear. The radio and AC buttons are in excellent condition. Also, the shifter looks very good. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Okay, the steering wheel buttons are in excellent condition. Also, the suede and stitching looks good as well. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.